How many birds can you identify? Please consider subscribing, it really helps us out. Good luck and have fun. Swift, kiwi, cuckoo. Did you know the kiwi is the only bird in the world with nostrils at the end of its beak? Emperor penguin, snowy owl, roadrunner. Fun fact: greater roadrunners have footprints shaped like an X, which makes it difficult to tell which direction they are traveling. Wren, kingfisher, Arctic tern. The Arctic tern hold the record for longest migration of any animal in the world. Bald eagle, ostrich, tail finch. Strangely, ostriches have 3 stomachs. Toucan, albatross, crane. The albatross has the largest wingspan of any bird, up to 11 feet from tip to tip. Flamingo, sparrow, loon. Did you know flamingos turn their heads upside down to eat? Shoebill, woodpecker, oilbird. Oilbirds use echolocation like bats to find their way within caves where they nest. Nightingale, eider, goose. Goose is actually the term for female geese, male geese are called ganders. Raven, takahe, Dartford warbler. The takahe lives around 20 years and is native to New Zealand. Capercaillie, manakin, hoatzin. The nickname for a hoatzin is stink bird due to the foul-smelling vapors it exhales. Hypercoleus, scrub bird, quetzal. The scrub bird was believed to be extinct in 1889 and was rediscovered in 1961. Peregrine falcon, sunbitten, mockingbird. The mockingbird can learn around 200 songs within its lifetime. Wryneck, wider, macaw. A macaw's tongue is dry and scaly, it also has a bone in it. And the final one. Magnificent frigate bird. The frigate bird is sometimes called the man-o'-war bird, because it harasses other birds until they regurgitate recently captured food. How many did you get correct? Thanks for watching and see you soon.